You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
But oh baby, you know lately, baby crazy. Don't keep it low key. Baby, time. Yeah, girl, one more time. Oh yeah, I like that one. Yeah. Kaigana moto, let's ride out, baby. You been on lately. You crazy. My baby. Slow down. Your town. You're around. I don't wanna ride with me, yeah. I could add that one. Yeah. Man. You wanna want it on your man. You really want it on your man. Hey, baby, want to know your name. You know, calm down right now.
Listen, Nachi. You see, lately I've been thinking, now that you're out of school, what are your plans? What do you want to do with your life?
Sir, I have always had a passion for music. I even have songs I have written down, you know, plenty. All I need is a good sponsor. Maybe I can travel the world. Music is all I want. It's my passion.
Then get ready. A friend of mine came back from the US. We grew up together. We go way, way back in time. And I'm going to introduce you to him. I believe he's the right person to take you to whatever echelon you want to get to in music. So, and I'm going to make sure he will take you along as he's going back to the US.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you. God will bless you now.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Get up. It's okay. God will bless you more. So let's toast to this. Grab the bottle. For brighter future.
Hello, my friend.
Welcome.
Nice to see you.
You're welcome, Mr. James, my friend. That's the young man I told you about. A friend to my son.
Kedu, good evening, sir. It's an honor, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. For all time's sake, I will help him. It looks like he has a bright future, and I'll do whatever it takes to have him reach his stars.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much, my good friend James. I so much appreciate. I know with you already, his future is bright. Why don't we celebrate this wonderful moment? Oh, you don't have a glass. Waiter! A glass, please. Let's taste to bright future to this wonderful relationship that has lasted over the years.
Amen.
My son, God will bless you. God will be with you. I believe in you. And I trust you so much. Nanu, thank God for Mr. Jeffrey. When you get there, respect Mr. James. Do anything he tells you to do. I have trained you well. And I know you know what is good and what is bad. But most importantly, go and bring me the world. Because I don't think they are ready to hear your music. Above all, never forget where you're coming from. Okay, you do. That is the most important thing. My God will prosper you. Anything you touch will prosper. Imetu okuta aka or roll it.
Mama, I promise. Promise you, I'll come back for you on my CV. And I will not forget Nwokoye.
I know you will not forget them. Let us wait for him here.
So, you have sent your illegitimate son abroad, right?
Woman, what is it again? Where is all this talk coming from?
You think I won't find out?
It's quite obvious you woke up from the wrong side of bed. And I'll tell you what, I ain't got time for this.
Where are you going? We are not done with this conversation and you're leaving already. Me and you in this house. You will come back and meet me.
What are you doing?
I don't understand.
It's so loud. Don't you know that you're disturbing the neighbors?
Disturbing the neighbors out.
What are you doing?
I don't understand. Listen, let today be the very last time you will try this rubbish with me. What kind of nonsense is this now? Eh? What kind of nonsense is this? Listen, I am not my father who you have bewitched. Don't try this again, no? If you try, I swear to... I'll cut your coat according to your size. Will you please get lost? Baby, play me this song. Look at this. Look at this. Hey! What the
Osinachi? Yes. Wonderful. Here, let me get that for you. Mr. James has asked me to escort you back to his residence. Is this everything you had?
Sorry, I don't really have that much.
That's not a problem. Welcome to America.
Thank you. That's a nice car.
It's no G-Wagon, but it'll do.
You guys have a G-Wagon?
3 of them, actually.
3 G-Wagons?
Oh, yeah. Here, I'll take your bag for you, sir.
Thank
you. You'll see when you get to Mr. James' residence. It's a pretty nice place. Especially for your first night in America. I'm not scratching.
Thank you.
All set?
Yes.
Where is she? Where is she, you witch? So bewitching my husband was not enough for you. And you had the guts to disrespect my son before his visitor.
What did I do? I don't understand.
Shut up your mouth. Don't talk while I'm talking. You witch. At your age, it should be in your husband's house, not seeing your children and your grandchildren. You are here doing ordinary cleaner. You're not even ashamed of yourself. Nonsense. Don't worry. Very, very soon, I will find out who the real father of that your son is. Stupid girl. Rubbish.
I know exactly who you were. You're the one that got my sister pregnant. Osinachi?
Yes, sir. I don't know.
I'm just messing, man. Nice to meet you. I'm Sid. Welcome to America. This is my studio.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's been a lot of hits made up in here. I really ain't messing with how that sound for real. Let me try this real quick. Damn, bro, that shit not sounding right. I don't know.
Studio.
It is.
I have an idea if you don't know it.
You know how to use FL? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, take the hot seat.
I'm familiar a little with it. Yes, if you think the first day, look, that's there, so that we can hear the song. Really. You have good sounds. It's just
no, man. I'm not. Today is not a good song.
I feel it.
Some days we have better days than others.
I hear you. It's just how you structure the songs here. I'll show you.
Okay.
Sometimes it's the hi-hats that it's the rhythm. If you give it the solid rhythm, it gives the beat more life. So
okay.
Put the EQ here. I think this is
okay. Let's see what you cooked up. Dang, bro, you really know how to do this FL stuff, man.
I engineer, I use Logic Pro Tools, even Reason sometimes. Yes.
I know a lot of heavy hitters in the industry, bro. This is up there, man. You got quality. You just gotta get your foot in the right doors. And I think today, coming in here was one of those right doors. So I think I could definitely get this off to the right people for you. No problem. No, thank you. You brought the sound to life, man. I couldn't figure it out. You brought it to life. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you.
get chicken and chips.
I'm sorry, we don't have any chips.
Oh, sorry. Fries.
It's okay, coming right up.
Thank you.
Excuse me, so you call fries chips?
Where I'm from, they call it chips.
Wow. So, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Oh, Niger. I like Nollywood movies. Sorry. What's your name?
Osinachi.
Oh,
You can just call me Osi.
No, I'm sorry. I really want to get it right. Osinachi.
Okay, very good, good job. And yours?
My name is Caitlin.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you. From America.
Thank you.
Hey, bro, what you doing over here, bro?
I just need to get to the studio.
You need to get to the studio, bro. This look like a fucking studio to you? Bro, this look like a fucking studio to you, bro.
What's all of this? What's going on?
Just to say or something?
Who you talking to like that?
I'm talking to you. Fuck.
If I was you, I wouldn't be talking to me like that. Now with your situation.
What?
Alright.
What are you doing?
My studio.
DA's daughter, you know.
That's my daddy. He makes it a little awkward. I don't talk to people about that. But you should be out here by yourself in a coat, with shorts, not working.
I'm sorry, I'm just not accustomed to the weather here yet.
It's alright, we got heat. You wanna go inside?
It's
No.
Mom, boys.
What else will you be doing with your miserable life if not smoking and drinking?
Huh? What's all this? See, Mom, you have to understand that I'm not in the mood for all this shit. I swear to God.
Shit, Okoye. Okay. Your father has sent the cleaner's son abroad. And they are here whiling away time. Don't worry. Very soon, you will see what you've done to yourself. Rubbish.
You're here talking about abroad, Mom. I've chilled with 50 Cent, Beyonce, Jay-Z. I even got a lap dance from Rihanna. That's what's up, Mom. So don't disturb me, okay? Please, I swear to God.
I cooked. I've been waiting on you.
okay.
You alright? I mean, you've been sitting here a while.
No, I don't know. Things aren't moving as quick as I thought they would. I don't have the major placements that I wanted, and the money isn't coming in as fast as I thought it would, and I miss my family. I don't know. Just stop.
Hey, look, you've been doing a great job, and it's not always just gonna go how we want it to, but you just have to keep working. You can't give up, okay? It's gonna be fine. I know your family misses you too, but I mean, even your English is getting better. It's not, I don't know.
Oh, you want to make jokes now. You want to make fun of me now. Okay. My name is Caitlin. You know, I want Starbucks. I want Starbucks. I want coffee. I want coffee. I want coffee.
I don't even talk like that. Fine.
Okay. Hello? Yes. Yes, that's me. What? Wow, okay. Yes, yes, I'll be there. I'll be there. Thank you. Bye. Wow.
Who was that? You sound better, happy. Where are you going?
It's crazy. Your brother had talked to the head of the label, and they want to meet with me tomorrow.
That's amazing. Aren't you excited?
Wow, that's crazy. Yes. Wow. I can't believe it.
Everything always works out. So, keep working hard.
Thank you.
Yay! Oh man. Thank you guys.
Boy, congratulations, bro, man. We got customers, right?
Okay. Wow. Wow. Oh man. I was not expecting this. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything that you guys have done throughout the time I've been here. All the help. I know it hasn't been easy. There's been a lot of obstacles and roadblocks, but I just want to say just thank you for everything you guys have done, even down to the little stuff like even my English. But Mr. James, thank you so much for the chance that you've taken on me, just the money that you put behind all this, and for making me be able to live out my dream. A lot of you guys might not know, but I will be going back home to Nigeria to just help provide for my family and for my mom and for my siblings. There's a lot of stuff that I feel like I haven't done and I haven't completed, and I feel like that's the next chapter. So, but you guys will see me again. I just have to take care of some business at home. But I got the cup, so let's make a toast.
Yeah.
Success, more life, and greatness.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Okay, Mr. James, you like that, Oh man. This is people.
Auntie.
And I would have raped this girl. Obinna, how did we get here? What is your problem? You're what?
Things for the past.
Are you working out on me? Are you mad? What is your problem? What has gone over you?
Everything I went through in my husband's house. I was abandoned in the village. where I did not know anybody. Mr. Jeffrey, God used you. God used you to bring us out of that prison into this palace. I have tried so hard to repay you, even though it's very obvious that there is no way I can repay you for everything you have done for us. But now, my daughter's life is being threatened. So I think we should just go back to where we really belong. Honestly, because it's obvious we do not belong here at all.
You are not going anywhere. Read my lips. You're not going anywhere. Obinna. Oh. Obinna.
Please, forgive us. I didn't know your story, but please, find a place in your heart to forgive us, oh?
Honestly, I am not angry with you. And I don't bear grudges at all. I mean, your actions were quite justified, so I am not angry. I just want my daughter to be safe.
Please. You and your children are going nowhere. You will stay here with us. Obinna, you disappointed me. I never saw what your father saw all these years. Obinna me wagomo obi.
Hello? Mommy! Mommy, where you at? Where you at? Your son is back now. Oh, see! Hey! 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 Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Hey! This is you. You see the gold chain now? Hey! Mama, God, I bless you. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Let me bless you. Hey. In dollars. You want $1 or naira? Hey. It's a oh yeah. Hey. Hey. It's a go met with Aka. Oh, so this is you. Hey.
Have you seen what I told you? Just relax, man.
Thank you.
Look at you.
Hey.
I'm sure this man is my family. Don't shut up your mouth.
Hey. It's just the appetizer. Hey. It's just the appetizer. Appetizer. Oh. In America, they say, we make it rain. Let's make it rain. Yeah. Make it rain. Oh. Bobanya. 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 Nah, Bobanya. Bobanya. Just small money. Just small money. Just small. God, I thank you. God, I thank you. God, I thank you. God, I thank you.
There is power in the future. Despite the hard times, the best has come.